This is how to make money with idle empire surveys. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to earn big with the best and easiest surveys online today. For you to make quick money via paid surveys, you need to be honest, as you can see written here, and you have to be consistent with your honesty. These are curated offers. These are offers selected for you considering your region, and you are sure of being accepted to take and get paid for these offers. This is another one. This is another one, 4,000 points. This is another one. This one will involve you to watch videos to get this point. This 2,000 points, another one, and so many of them. This 15,000 points. Can you see this one? Over 30,000 points. The kind of surveys that you get offered depends on your country. I'm in Nigeria and I have offerings for these surveys that you are seeing. All you need to do is to be consistent, and you are going to make good money for yourself doing paid surveys on this platform. The next great way to make even more money on this platform is by participating in offer wars. This one, all you need to do is to click this. This will open you up to multiple third-party companies that have partnered with this website, like AdGate Reward. These are multiple offers of different amounts. You can see multiple of them: 230,000 points, 12,000 points, just by playing games, answering surveys, 15,000 points, 10,000 points. If you go for Offer Toro, you click this, you scroll down, you can see this is over 50,000 points for playing this game. Look at it. Look at lots of points that you can earn just for playing games on this platform. Look at so many of them. And you can do this with your phone, either iOS, Android, or tablet, and even your computer. If you click Lootably, this is another good one. This point is infinity, that is unending. So many points that you can earn just by signing up, visiting those websites, doing the task, and you earn the points. So this is how you take offers on this platform and you earn points that you can easily convert to dollars that I'll be showing you towards the end of this video. Thank you. How do you withdraw and convert all these points to cash in dollars so that you can cash out to your bank in your country? All you need to do is to come here, you click withdraw. But first, 1,000 points that you gather and you are rewarded with worth 1 cent. 2,000 points worth 2 cents. When you reach such a threshold, you can use any of these payment method to cash out. As you can see, you can cash out through Binance gift cards. Don't forget that you can sign up to Binance using the link below the description of this video. Binance will give you a gift of $100 if you use that link. It has a very low cash out threshold. This is $0.1, that is 1 cent. You can cash out through Steam cards, Amazon gift cards, and so many other gift cards. You can easily convert these gift cards to cash directly to your bank account in your country. A video will come out here. You will learn how to cash out gift cards. My number one recommended gift card exchange to convert your gift cards to cash is ATM. You will see the ATM link below the description of this video. If you use that link to sign up to ATM, ATM will give you a gift of $1. Another platform you can use to cash out, withdraw your point is Payer. You also see a link of a video of how to withdraw step by step through Payer, and they also have a lower threshold cash out limit. The video that will come out now, that video will show you how to cash out and withdraw your money directly to your bank account in your country. Just watch that video. It is important to know that you can also cash out through any of the cryptos. You don't need to cash out through Coinbase. All you need is your wallet. Thank you.